Hello and welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly and today we're going to do a super fast tutorial on how to recreate die cuts on your Cricut. So here's a Scribble Circle die cut that comes in our Dream Maker kit on the die cut sheet, but there's only one and I love it so much. I wanted to be able to have multiple shapes and sizes of Scribble Circles to be able to use on other pages throughout my Dream Maker workshop. So you can go to your Cricut and you can type Scribble Circle and you can find all kinds of Scribble Circles of all different shapes and sizes. Some of them paid, some of them free, some of them Cricut Access. But why muck through all of that when you can literally make your own Scribble Circle in 30 seconds or less? So you can hit the Shapes menu and grab a circle, and then you're going to go up to the Offset feature. Offset is how to make a shadow behind an existing image. You're going to choose a smaller number and go as small as you can, and you're going to hit Offset, and it's going to create that background that you see here. I'm just pulling them apart so you can see what the Offset feature does. I'm going to select them all, center it vertically and horizontally, and put it back the way it was. Then I'm going to select it and I'm going to hit Slice. I want to slice the original circle out of the background circle to create the perfect ring. You can delete the circles now because we're going to duplicate the ring a couple times by hitting the duplicate button, the plus sign, and create 3 rings that we're going to weld together to create an awesome Scribble Circle. So you can just overlay those over the top of each other until it's pleasing to you. You can unlock them and make them different sizes and shapes, or you can simply overlay them over each other. You're going to select the entire thing, hit the combine button, and then you're going to hit weld and weld those circles together to make the perfect Scribble Circle. Now you can make it any size or any shape you want, and when you click make it, you can cut your own Scribble Circles and as many as you want, and you aren't limited to only one in the die cut sheet. I've included a link of this Scribble Circle design space file in the description of this video that you can grab. Leave me a comment, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Thanks for watching and happy scrapping. Bye-bye.